Hello friends, welcome back. It's me Nairobi. So if you're new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm bringing you along to clean my car with me on this Friday evening, and I normally do this on Sunday mornings. And also, I am a mom of a 9-year-old boy, so he's pretty good at helping me keep this mom car clean. Alright, enough rambling, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with this Method antibacterial cleaner from Target, trash bag, and these microfibers that I love to use because they are soft. Since if you do happen to have leather seats, you know what I'm talking about. You can't use like any like wet cloths unless it's just like a little bit of damped. So I am gonna, oh, like bird poop. Since I have a white vehicle, it's just you can tell right away when it's dirty. And yeah, so I'm gonna go around and show you where I start. I take everything from the center console, everything that's in the doors, all the trash. I pretty much just I pick up the mat and just dump everything in the trash bag. And yeah, I was kind of overthinking this on this video because I told Babe, like, people would judge you on the stuff that you have in your car. Like, you can see the Chick-fil-A. I drink a lot of sparkling water, so I stay hydrated. So for some reason, I just happen to throw everything to the front seat, and it's just a bad habit. Like, I wish I can just be a more cleaner human being. Cleaner. I'm more, that's one thing that I'm trying to work on. Just, yeah, I was showing Babe my pedicure sandals the other day. I just got in the car, I took them off. Oh, yeah, I remember why I took them off because I had to go into Kroger real quick to get some food some stuff that I had to make for dinner. And I just threw them to the front and instead of getting them off to the trash, I know. Yeah, so the back part of the seat, the back seat is my son. I do have a 9-year-old, so he's pretty helpful when it comes to keeping the back part of the car clean. But right here, see, I found like drawings and report cards and signs from school and everything. And as you can see on the floor, there's like a charger, there's wet wipes and water bottles and like paper airplanes, just little stuff. I mean, it's not food, it's mostly just like papers and like water bottles. So he knows we're pretty good about like not trying to eat in the car and drinks. We did have some accidents a while back where it was like a red Gatorade spilled in the front carpet, and I think that was my fault. Well, it was his Gatorade, but I ended up, you know, twisting the bottle cap while it was on the floor, like accidentally trying to pick it up, and it opened and it spilled all over. So these right here are the WeatherTech mats, and I just recently got these a while back, and I just love how it does help me clean. It does help me keep my car cleaner because everything just falls on it. So I just have to pick it up and dump everything on the bag. And yeah, I don't know, should I keep talking or should I just like start the music already? Like cue the music in or what? And usually my trunk is like pretty clean. This just happened to I just happened to have like these waters here, and the clothes on the left, I was supposed to take that to the ooh, excuse me, I had a burp, to the cleaners. I was supposed to take that and I forgot. And Babe's helping me record, so right here he's all telling me like, why did you forget? Oh, I was showing him my unicorn. I broke my little unicorn car fragrance. Yeah, he's telling me, see, you forgot to take my shirts to the cleaners. And then these are like what, the Home Depot specialist. I'm asking him like, why are they in my car? I'm gonna spank you with them. And did I tell him that? Yeah, I did. I was trying to chase him down. He was trying to run away from me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start washing the mats. So for the mats, all I'm gonna use is the water and this brush that's on the floor, which I did get at Walmart the other day, and it's a pretty sturdy brush. And I'm also gonna be using dish soap because I was gonna use Tide, but since the Tide is blue, Babe said that that would probably stain the mats. So I'm just rinsing them out with water, let the water soak in there, and then I just put the soap all over there. The soap all over and just let it sit there. And then that's whenever I come back and I scrub them. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cue the music because I don't know if this is annoying, if you're annoyed by me talking through this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cue the music and let you enjoy the rest of this video. Okay, so I'm all done and I feel like I need to go take a shower. Babe's about to do the rest. As you can see, there's like poop stains right here. So he's gonna go ahead and get that taken care of, and then I'm probably gonna rinse. I was gonna say rinse. I'm going to, are you gonna clean the rims too, right? Like sparkly shine and everything with the
tire shine.
The tire shine. And let me show you my rims. It's really bad. Look, let me show. So babe said I can't get rims anymore because this is what I end up doing to them. My car has been abused. And yeah, that's the only, huh? Checking all the curves, he said. Yeah, that's the only, for some reason it's always the left side. This front one is not as bad, but as you can see that right there. But yeah. Okay, so I'm all done with that. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you enjoyed this. I mean, I feel like it was not that dirty. I feel like it wasn't that dirty, but yeah. Thanks, babe, for helping me. Why are you doing that? Okay, so I'm gonna record babe now, rinsing my car and everything. You want me to record you? Yes? You know what? I'm thirsty. Okay. Huh? Alright, so that was all for today's video. It wasn't that dirty as, I mean, there's been worse times where I have more stuff in the back, like Chick-fil-A box from the little chicken nuggets, and there was one sauce that I found, and there's always candy in my car, but I just already got those out. But yeah, so now babe's gonna go ahead and rinse the car out, leave it really shiny for me for tomorrow. It's the weekend. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next